Back in the Weather Center with Chief Meteorologist Jennifer Perez. Jennifer, so many people are preparing for the holidays. This isn't really the Christmas gift we were all hoping for, but here it is.
Yeah, and so it is going to be quite dangerous at times tomorrow through Saturday. We will have blizzard warnings and winter storm warnings in effect starting 1 o'clock in the morning tomorrow through 7 p.m. on Saturday. So if you're anywhere near Lake Superior, do your best to stay indoors and avoid traveling through that point in time. Travel, I set it at a high risk during that time period. We're expecting whiteout conditions, large snow drifts. We're looking at wind speeds to be around 25 to 35 miles per hour. Blizzard warnings are issued for 35-mile-per-hour wind speeds sustained for at least 3 hours. We're also going to have gusts of 40 to 60 miles per hour. So we could certainly have power outages. That's why there's a moderate risk for that. We'll likely have some downed tree branches or limbs or toppled over items. And then along the shoreline of Lake Superior, we're expecting large waves. That's going to cause some shoreline erosion as well. Here's that strong storm system that's moving through the area, the cold front diving through Wisconsin. This area of low pressure will be just east of us by tomorrow morning. And then the pressure gradient is going to increase. The colder air is going to set in and the wind is going to become stronger. We will be on the back side of it tomorrow and Saturday. But right now what we're seeing is some light snow throughout most of the central UP, and what we're seeing in Wisconsin will continue to ride north throughout the course of today. So if you're heading out and about this morning, it's not terrible outside. It's just a little bit slippery out there with some snow accumulation. There might be a couple of bands like right over parts of Delta County, right through Manistee, in through parts of Alger County, where the intensity is a little bit higher right now. So here's that light snow that's coming down downtown Marquette. Some roads are snow covered, but at this moment it's not a lot of snow just yet. Now when we factor in the snowfall amounts for today all the way through Saturday night, we're easily expecting about 2 to near 2.5 feet of snow across the western counties and the far eastern areas of the UP. There is the likelihood that some of the higher elevations in the west and western Marquette County could push about 3 feet of snow, and then lower amounts ranging around a foot in the southern counties of the UP over the span of 3 days. Now here's that system as it moves on through. This is this morning. Watch as it moves in. This is midday. Some lake enhanced snow develops in the south and central off of Lake Michigan by about midday. That front plows on through by this evening. Plan on widespread moderate snow throughout the afternoon and evening. We are on the backside of that storm system by tomorrow. Winds increasing, heavy snow developing, especially in the northern areas, continuing that way tomorrow afternoon, staying that way Saturday morning, and then it's Saturday evening when we start to see some of this snow taper off across the west end of the UP. Wind gusts around 40 to 45 miles per hour tomorrow morning, and then increasing throughout the day. By the afternoon, 45 to 50 mile per hour wind gusts, and then for tomorrow night through Saturday, wind gusts of 50 to near 60 miles per hour near Lake Superior, less than that farther south. But those strong winds are what going to cause those whiteout conditions as we continue through Friday and Saturday. So my best advice is stay off the roads if you can. It's just not going to be good to be out in these conditions. It's going to be quite dangerous out there. The good news is that Christmas Day will not be that windy. We're looking at some light snow early Christmas Day, though.
I'll tell you what, I was driving around last night and it seemed like everyone was out getting their errands done, getting their groceries, doing that last minute shopping. So I hope you all are listening to Jennifer and preparing to just kind of stay put for the next couple of days, and appreciate all your forecasting.
Oh, thank you.
Of course. All right, now there are just 3 days until Christmas.